the children to Honorable Cyrus Jirongo. Yeah. Please come. And June Jirongo and Judy Jirongo will be able to read tributes on your behalves. Why can we appreciate the children to Honorable Cyrus?
Afternoon, church. My name is June Jirongo, and I'll read my tribute, then hand over to Judy. Yeah, thank you. So, let me wait. Dad, I am lost for words. I still can't believe you're gone. When I look back, there's always more we could have done together. I choose, however, to look at the good times, the life you lived, the memories we made. The girls are devastated. Your darling and your mom, they loved you so much, and they're still in shock. They remember you as a big, great man, larger than life, yet still the ever generous and happy grandpa. The breakfast and lunch dates you enjoyed together and the plans you had, no one can fill your shoes, but as their parents, we'll do our best to fulfill the plans you had for them and keep your memories alive as they grow. You are and will always be our father, our rock, our provider, our strength and shield. We're also sad. May you rest well and find peace and happiness in your next life. We're proud of you and thank you for everything.
Good morning, church. My name is Judy Kalamwa. I have a tribute. This will take about 5 minutes, and we have a sister who's not here as well. Her name is Sally, and she asked us to read a poem on her behalf. To Dad, I can't comprehend that you're not here. I'm struggling to reconcile it. It's not loading, but I'm trying. My heart feels deaf. People are apologetic everywhere, but I don't understand why. It's like they see something that we don't. We saw you at Lee a couple of times. You looked like you were sleeping. Sharon, Tim, and I, we sat with you. We waited, and we just watched you. I'd like to go back to a time when we used to run after you after lunchtime so I can get a lift into town. I want to wake up early to find you before you go to work, sitting in the office, drinking black tea, so I can ask for 1K for the week. I want Auntie to tell me to stop wearing your socks. I want to say that I'm sorry where we disappointed you. We had so many things that we had wanted you to see. We wanted to show you what we could do on our own so that you could see how far we could go. Can't accept that you won't see them, so we choose to believe that you will. That when these things happen, God will allow you to see. So don't forget about us. We'll wait for you. I know that you're probably busy with the new task that you've been given, and it's much better where you are than it is here. But please make time to visit us, at least on the important days. We'll wait for you every day until we die. I look forward to seeing you again, Until then, stay safe, Dad. Just one more component. To those who didn't know him, our father was a good man at heart. Like all men, he had his shortcomings. He was a man of extremes, extreme generosity, extreme compassion, and extreme grace for his children. And when things went wrong, sometimes they did go wrong in a big way. He was a man of high ideals and high expectations. As children, we looked up to him. As we grew older, we began to understand him. At times, we questioned him, but overall, we always deeply admired and consistently strove to make him proud. I believe that God sees him in his entirety, his heart, his spirit, his struggles, and the burdens that he carried, all of him. God is a great equalizer. I pray that he gives our Father grace and keeps him well. I thank God for the time that we had with our Father and for the Father that he gave us. I want to thank my dad for everything that he did for us. I am who I am because of him. I want to thank my mothers. Only God can repay them for what they've done for us. I thank my siblings. I'm grateful for you. Our extended family, his friends, and everyone who has supported us, be blessed. Can you allow me to read the poem that Sally had written? So this is from Sally. I tell myself to return to who I am, but grief has taken the shape I knew. I became myself beside my father, and without him I do not know my edges. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie writes of bodies hurting in grief, tongues turning bitter, hearts racing beyond control. I feel all of this. Thick Nhat Hanh teaches calm in the storm of anger, a breathing back into the self. But my grief is a storm without a center, and I cannot find the self that I'm meant to return to. So I choose another way. I choose continuity, a tree that grows because he existed, love still alive, roots that hold the earth he once walked. I am my father's child. My ribs ache from crying. My heart runs away from me. My body has become a place of breaking, my mind a hive of bees. And the world goes on unchanged. The mail still comes, the sun still rises. People still speak of ordinary things. Life does not pause for my sorrow. Inside me, something has shattered. Grief says it's finished. My heart says it's not. Dad, I thought you were immortal. I thought you'd always be here. I thought you had mastered time. I thought you commanded it. You are larger than life itself. Thank you.